So anyway, our weather is changing. I see the clouds on the tower camera over there now. It's darker than it was 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, those clouds are moving back in from the east. So the clouds were decreasing from west to east earlier today. And now it's coming right back in. This is in response to the Gulf moisture that's going to move back up. We felt a little lower humidity over the last 24 hours, but the humid weather is about to move back in. Now, not as humid as what we dealt with last week, but just enough moisture to prime the atmosphere for some rainfall, and some of it could be heavy over the next 48 hours. There's our ridge of high pressure that brought the 90s last week. Aren't you glad that's pulled away? Unfortunately, after Wednesday, that builds right back in. Two upper disturbances, though, that's going to help increase our rain chances over the next couple of days. Severe outlook for the rest of tonight through tomorrow morning. Yeah, we've got a couple of our counties grazed in the marginal risk here. Now, this will mainly be for portions of central Texas heading up to the Metroplex, and there are storms also that are increasing and beginning to develop out into the Texas Panhandle. Weather Service from Dallas-Fort Worth just expiring. This tornado warning is set to expire at about 6:15, so that box will go away. The rotation is let up there, but the upper airflow keeping those storms mainly toward DFW. Some hail and wind concerns there, but for us, it's the clouds that are beginning to pick back up. We've had cloud cover all day today from areas near Highway 271, 259, and points to the east. Longview, not much sun at all. There was a little glimpse of it about 2 hours ago, but now the clouds are working back to the west, closer to Tyler, and you're going to be left with an overcast sky. 70 the temperature right now. We have a light east wind, and the humidity values are high. So as we get to nighttime, we may start to see some light drizzle develop. That shouldn't cause too much of a concern, but that light precipitation chance may be with us, similar to the drizzle that we had off and on yesterday. 60s and 70s where the cloud cover is a bit more prevalent, where there's more sun from Hopkins County, especially going from Van Zandt into Houston County. Temperatures there into the 70s and close to 80. Let's look at Futurecast. I want to first show you overnight and into the day tomorrow. Storms again out to the west, not expecting those here. We may see some showers, though, increase after midnight and toward tomorrow morning. We may have some wet roads for your morning commute. However, I do not anticipate anything severe for us tomorrow. Now, by midday, we may see a couple of more thunderstorms develop into the afternoon. Our Futurecast model really doesn't show a whole lot coming our way to begin tomorrow morning. So going to keep mainly dry, about a 30% chance, but it's late tomorrow evening that we expect the storms to ramp up. Here we go. Tuesday late evening, storms through the Metroplex, and then those are marching in. Yes, another overnight event. This is where we have the better chance for some stronger to severe storms. Wind gusts and hail will be the top concern there, and the rain is just on during the day on Wednesday. We may get a break heading into the afternoon, but I think deep East Texas still holds on to rain until late day. This is where the rain amounts will really add up. Overnight Tuesday and particularly on Wednesday through Tuesday, maybe a ½ inch if that, and then Wednesday shows about 1 to 3 inches of rain as a good possibility. That's why some of us are under a flood watch for the potential of some minor flooding. After Wednesday night, rain chances let up, and then the sun returns, and that ridge of high pressure building, that's going to push temperatures to the 90s. Similar forecast here in deep East Texas. Again, you may not see much storms during the day tomorrow, but certainly overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, the rain will come again.
I keep thinking of that guy fishing. That guy's good. Good. All right, coming